Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Breaking news. Today is Retro Day. And I was feeling kind of retro. I bought my Atari, but I couldn't stream the Atari because it's back there in that box under the guitar. I couldn't stream that because I need a capture card, and that's more stuff. So yeah, that's not happening. And this game is so freaking retro, it doesn't even work with Windows hardly at all. So I got everything set up. I'm gonna have to open the game and then like don't tell me scroll up to look at your comment. That ain't happening. Not today. I wish I could alt tab out of this game. It's not easy, folks, but it's going to be absolutely magical. And now I'm going to launch the game. But before I do, I have to be sure everything's good. Well, the music's on the scene, but it's not on the game scene. Shouldn't be. So we're going to shut this music off. There we go. Okay. Now we're going to launch the game, guys. This game was the greatest game ever. If you played this game with your brother, your cousin, your uncle, your neighbor, get him in here, man. Tag him, freaking drag him. Tag him and drag him. You know what I'm saying? Because this was one of my biggest videos ever on Facebook back in the day, and it's because so many people. I'm launching the game, guys. I got my chats up. Launching the game. So many people freaking played this game with somebody else. And so everyone was just tagging friends and uncles and dads and brothers and cousins. It's so loud. Is it too loud? You guys tell me if it's loud. I can control the game. I can control the game, folks. Let's go to training. Oh my God, the window got small. Why would it do that to me? Okay. I knew this was going to happen. It's okay. All I got to do is get over that window. I know how to do it. It's just a little bit of a ritual, folks. It's a freaking ritual. Working with... It's Retro Day, guys. Retro Day, what do you do on Retro Day? You got to freaking make stuff happen, right? Oh, I think when I start the game... Because I had the... We'll see when I start the game. See if it gets full screen, guys. Let's go to quick mission. Just get into a game, jump in a castle. Just, dude, play briefing. Where's the voice? There's no voice. Why? Settings. Wait, options. Graphics. 1280 by 720. That's the one we want. Accept. Let's go to sound. And I don't know why. You know what, though, we can do? I'll read it to you guys, and I'll read it in my best. Let me auto-assign just so we can see the game, guys. William Hunt, thank you for the share, my brother. I told you. See, now I have to go back to that. So if I ever do Alt-Tab out of the game, which I'm not going to. Once this thing's set, guys, we're playing. We're stuck. We're not going to freaking do anything. We're not Alt-Tabbing or anything until we capture Popish freaking Veely, folks. Popish Veely. Say it. Popish Veely. Very good. It literally, the game is literally like in the Steam instructions. We recommend exiting the game if you want to access Windows. Exiting the game, guys. Exiting the game. That's what you got to do. You got to exit. Well, that's what they say. It's a little shaky, but probably because I'm tabbed out. Okay, now I'm going back in the game, and now we're in the game, guys. We're in the game until the end of the stream. All right. Looking at the ground, folks. Dude, okay, but we're not going to play this mission. We're starting new game, guys. New game plus NG. No, it's not Elden Ring. Abort. No, I want to end mission, folks. End mission. There we go. We're going to start the first mission. The first mission, which is capture Popish Veely, man. Today is Retro Day. It's a shade loud. Scared the stuff out of me. Good. Good. That's what I'm here for. That's what I'm here for. Cancel. Let's try and go. Okay, first thing, we'll go to options. We'll go to retro sound, guys. Those little beeps at one point were probably like state of the art. State of the art sounds only here. Restart. Restart the game. Restart the mission. Okay. So let's abort. No, I don't want to return to the briefing. If I gotta restart the game, I'll restart the freaking game. I don't care. I don't want that. I don't want that. I want. Here we go. Okay. Campaign. New guys, I got game saved, man. New campaign. Campaign name, Retro Day. Retro Day, guys. We're going to play on Veteran. We're not playing on the hardest one. Should we do Recruit? No way, man. Elite is dumb. Okay, usually here, with the music in the background, it says, welcome to Tbilisi, gentlemen. I hope you got some shut-eye on the flight from Bragg. Because now we're here, we've got a lot of work to do. Here's the situation. We've been deployed at the request of the Georgian government to help them deal with the rebels on the Russian border. The game's going to get bigger once we start the game, okay? Our area of operations will be the South Ossetian Autonomous Region, 1,500 square miles of small villages and rugged backcountry. The Ossetians have been skirmishing with the Georgian army for years, but lately the attacks have escalated to the verge of all-out war, folks. I added the word folks, if you didn't notice. Washington thinks the Russians have engineered the current flare-up as an excuse to step in and annex the whole region. Our job is to cut the legs out from under the revolution before that can happen. Our first mission is a raid on a rebel base in the Caucasus Mountains. A rebel leader named Bakir Papashvili, that's the guy we're going to get, has been attacking army convoys across the Terek River. You'll need to take out his guard post first, then hit his main camp. I know where that is. You'll find Papashvili in the caves at the top of the hill where he's set up a command center. Take him alive if you can, but remember that he won't surrender unless all his guards are eliminated. Okay, moving forward. We have to pick our team, but I'm going to auto-assign. You know why? Because it's Retro Day. Okay. I think we have a sniper. We do. We have one sniper. You know who I hate these guys. Let me X this. How do you X a fool? X that fool. And then this guy, rifleman. Right. Support, guys. You got to exit support, guys. What you want in this game is riflemen. Okay? That's what you need in this game. Riflemen. Yeah, William Hunt, thank you, man. Thank you very much for the like and the share. So now I will come up to this rifleman. How do I add him? put him here with this guy. How do you add? How do you? C. Oh, okay, you highlight them, and then, okay, so now I go to Bravo. Okay, wait. Now I highlight a guy, a rifleman, and I put him in C. There we go. We got 2, 2, and 2. We have 5 riflemen, 1 sniper. Okay? Guys, the idea is everyone comes back alive. Does that sound get better, man?
Seems quiet enough.
Magnus, how you doing, my brother?
Quiet.
Dude, remember that opening? Seems quiet enough. Too quiet. Now we need to switch to the sniper. Here he is. Okay. Oh, and wait. How do you get the command? Tab, tab, tab. We have to say, no one shoots. I just said it for no one shoots. I'm going to shoot, guys. I'm the sniper. There's a freaking nest up here. Now, it looks like am I running slow? How do you run? Right mouse button, folks. Dude. You guys remember. Now, right up here, if I was speed running this game, we would learn how. Right up here is the tent camp that we have to infiltrate later. And, like, if I just memorize this game really good and practiced, I could probably take most of them out with grenade launchers from right here. Because they're right out of line of sight. Right on the other side of this, over near those trees and behind this rock. But, you know, that's for another time. Okay, me and 1 rifleman are running forward. Now, if I go to command map, and I say, Alpha team, come over here and look this way. But don't shoot at anything. Bravo team. Get your butts over here behind this tree and look this way, but don't shoot anything. Now my teams at least are moving. They're moving forward, folks. They're moving forward. It's freaking retro day, man. Now, this, we're going to see, sometimes I think there's, oh yeah, right mouse button. Sometimes I think there's patrollers down low because we've been taking so much time, guys. Too much time. So we're going to have to keep an eye here. But I don't think there's any here. Where's the nest? We got it, guys. Oh! Can you guys see him? He's wiggling. He's wiggling, and I'm right on his freaking forehead, bro. This sniper is low-level sniper. Took him out. Now, sometimes they'll come walking down the hill. Like, who just shot our boy? Gotta be careful, there's no one down there. These things will shoot you. And this is not Call of Duty, folks. Do not kid yourself. These bullets will kill you. They're exactly like real bullets, guys. They're not like Call of Duty bullets. I told you. I told you. Crouching. This guy's moving fast. He's going to come out. He's coming out right here. We're going to have to lead him a little bit. Lead him. Uh-oh. We got him to stop. Okay. My sniper just took him out. But, I mean, my rifleman. I told him not to shoot. It's okay. We're moving forward. We got to get to this tent camp, guys. We got to get to the tent camp because that's the next step into capturing Papashvili. I feel like there's supposed to be one more, guys. One more. There's only 2. Okay, well, Alpha got to their destination. Come on. I'm a little bit nervous. Ain't gonna lie. Ain't gonna lie. I take it very seriously, folks. This game is very, very serious. It's exactly like real life. I'll tell you this. These crappy graphics are, I mean, what's real life, guys, right? I don't know. I feel like there's another one in the nest, guys. Oh, wow. See this one? I didn't take this guy out. The guy next to me did. Okay, I told you there was a third one. So now I could go tab, command map, and then my other teams are way down there behind me. So I'm going to tell Bravo, because we're pretty safe. Bravo, get your butt up here. Look this way. Alpha, get your butt up here and look this way. And we are going to go out in the open and see if we can see the guys in the nest. There's another nest up here, folks. This is the next crazy, very dangerous thing you have to do. Wait. See him? I'm going to take him out, guys. In the head. I wish everything wasn't so washed out, man. I feel like it's a little bit washed out. The trees you could see, but the freaking, the guys with the glare. Okay, now wait. Sometimes they'll come walking down this hill right here. So you have to be careful, guys. Is there someone right there? No, I don't see him. Staring into the sun. This can't be good, guys. This can't be good. The freaking cinematic music was so awesome at the beginning. I don't know where the heck it went. Okay, we're going to run over here. We're going to switch to this guy. We're going to stand him up because they were walking way too slow. And then we're going to switch to this guy. We're going to stand him up because they're walking way too slow. Now, we're going to attack the tent camp, folks. Yeah. Unping that. And Bravo, get your butt here, here, and here. Alpha, same, pretty much the same freaking ordeal right here. Okay, I'm going to have to take this hill, guys. I'm going to take this hill. That's my sniper. I should have a rifleman for this part, guys. Because if these dudes are coming down the hill, my reticle closes very slow. See the reticle? It closes very slow. Soldier, I want this guy. Okay, now we got a rifle. Okay, now we're moving forward, guys. We're moving forward because we have to. It's the law. It's the law. There's a guy down here. We're going to take him out once we get to the optimum region. I feel like there's another dude right here, man. Okay, no one walking down. Maybe that's from like the elite version. I feel like there's another dude up here. But now we're in little teams. Alpha, Bravo, and Charlie. There's no one right here. No, there's not. The terrain is crazy in this game, guys. 3, I think, is my sniper. 3 was my sniper. 4 is my sniper. 2 is my sniper. 4 is my sniper. Okay. Let's get the sniper, folks. Oh, Charlie, come on. Get up here, buddy. Oh, he's here. Okay. See if you guys will be able to see this fool or not. Looking at the game. You can see him. It's small. Guys, the game is... This is the game. I'm going to shoot him in his head. And does he have a sister? That's the way we're going to extract, guys. That's the way we're going to extract. And more bad guys are going to spawn. Oh, Josh, how you doing, man? Good evening, good evening, good evening. What do you guys, is anyone doing anything for Retro Day? I'm playing Ghost Recon, man. Hey, Wolfo, how you doing, man? Good to see you, dude. Thank you for all the comments and activity over there on the YouTube channel. I appreciate it. You've been consuming some of the content and reacting. Okay, why are these guys on hold? Come on. We have to start moving toward our goal. And the goal is over here. Now, you would think, I say that now, but you would think I could freaking get some sniper shots off. Here. See the tents? There. Oh my god, it's right here, guys. Well, I'm zoomed in. The way to take most of the malarkey here out... Oh, I see some. Okay, we're going to lay our sniper down right here. I'm going to lay the sniper down. I'm going to let him work, folks. I'm going to give him a job. You, see? You just look. Which way is he looking? That way. Okay, now we're going to switch to another group of people, folks. This is A. Stand up tall. Let's get our butts up there. I'm all right, and you're welcome. Thank you, man. The best way to do this is start. Here's the problem with this game. It's not me. It's this guy. It's the AI that's with me. He'll shoot at somebody and give away our cover. That's why I've got him on weapons. You know, don't shoot. Don't shoot unless, like, you get shot at kind of thing, right? There's the tent camp right there. And they'll see something, and they'll shoot at it, guys. They'll shoot at it. It's bad. The best way to attack this tent camp... Oh, by the way, I have no silenced weapons, guys. No silenced weapons. How do I switch to my... There we go. Of course, you don't get to zoom as much with... Okay. With the rocket launcher. It's a grenade launcher, guys. Okay. Take that down. Bravo. Would you please just get over here? And where the hell is the Bravo team? Are they crouched again? Are you crouched again? Let me see. How do I get to one of those guys on the Bravo team? Tab. Soldier. Oh, yeah, right here. Click on their freaking... And they're crouched. Why are they crouched? Stand up like a man. See, so this is what I got to do. I got to run him there myself. You know what I mean? Yeah. We're fixing to attack a tent camp. This is phase 2 of capturing Papashvili. Once we get this tent camp done and a guy... Whoa! Joe Nader became an exclusive chiller. 1 year and 9 months subscribing on Facebook Gaming, the great supporter group. Thank you. Thank you, Joe. It's a long time, brother. And I really appreciate it. Okay. Here. I think we're so close. Let's look at the map. Yeah, it's a little bit more this way. Okay, good. Maybe... here's the worst thing I'm afraid of, guys, right here. Is getting someone, like, walking up on us. I want to, like, use the terrain. I see the tents. So what the goal here is to shoot grenades into the tent area. And because that's where the people live, folks. Just trying to find the best place to set these fools to where they don't get moited. This has got to be as good as anything, man. Okay. Bravo. Don't want to send anyone to be able to start using their guns yet. Oh, you know what? Let's do it. Sniper is in C team, so it's time to weapons free. The sniper's gonna just shoot something right now, guys. You're gonna hear it. Everyone's gonna go poopy fast. So let me get on A. Let's set them weapons free. And Bravo, he can just shoot, because that's me and my boy. Okay. We're on assault mode, guys. I think I see some sitting down through these trees. Okay. Let's switch to... Well, I don't want to switch to my... I don't want to switch to my grenade launcher yet. And the grenade launcher is a crazy thing, guys. I see them. They're right there. They're right there. Grenade launcher. I'm going to freaking just, like, shoot some grenades. Do I have to reload? I hope not. I bet I do. Oh, my God. I just... Ah! Dude, I just killed 2, 4, like 7 of them with 1 grenade. Okay, I've played the game before, guys. But I'm telling you, they will shoot you. You guys are like, huh? What just happened? Well, I'll show you what happened. Bling happened. Guys, I was a beast at this game. It said objective complete, neutralize the camp. My snipers are over there looking this way. My A team is over there looking in here. And these guys were going to scatter like flies, guys. They were going to scatter like flies. But before they had a chance to do that, we actually had to engage them. I just took them all out with 1 grenade, folks. Dude, man, I'm trying to bring my mood back up. Wolfo, man, it's retro day, dude. What's your retro game, man? What's your retro game? You know you got one, man. I mean, so for some people, your retro game might be, you know, Skyrim. Probably not. It's not that old, right? Okay, this is the path to Papashvili. I don't think there's any mobs right here, but I'm very scared. No, it's around the next corner, folks. And all these guns, there's no silencers on them. Look at the terrain here, guys. Watch this. See this right here? You can't go. There's no jump. There's no jump in this game, folks. When you hit the wall, you just hit the wall. Okay. It would be cool if there were some enemies in the distance, but they're not. The enemies are right freaking here, guys. They're right here. Oh, by the way, there's a reticle. You see the red, bottom center, the little yellow. I've got it's lit up on the top, on the bottom, and on the left. That means the enemies are top, bottom, left, but there's no one to the right of me because that's where we just came from. We cleared the tent camp. When a red dot appears in the center of that reticle down at the bottom center, guys, when a red dot pops there, it means there's an enemy close. Close enough probably to be pinged on the minimap. This kind of sucks because I think there's a sister. And they're hard to see. Almost feel like there's one laying down right there. Okay. Now, this is the part where I could lose a guy. I don't want to. See the red? See the red dot? It means someone's close. I should be able to look at my mini map. I don't see him. Oh, maybe because we're to the we're at the caves already? I should have people up here. I should have people. We need help. We need help. I sound like freaking Gideon. I need help. Okay. Okay, no. The red dots there were simply the red dots that are... Oh, and take them off suppress, man. Yeah, take them off suppress. Alpha Company, get your butt over here into the action, buddy. Just get into the action, please. And get here fast. I'm Bravo Company. Charlie Company, same thing. The problem is Charlie Company's laying down, guys. So let's give him his mission to get his butt over here. But we got to go over there and manually freaking stand him up. He was number 4. He was number... Okay, yeah. Stand up. Stand up like a man. Stand up like a man. 2. Okay, everyone's standing up. So those guys should be coming. I think this is... It's not the end because we got to get out of here. But this... Wait, there's no cave right... No. Cave entrance is over here. There was only one guy outside. That is so weird to me. There might be a guy right here, guys. Right in the cave entrance. And what's up? That's the problem. Now, that guy might have killed me. And my AI friend helped. Here's the problem, guys. We're going to go in here. You can't kill Papashvili. You have to capture Papashvili. But he has guards around him. So he's like there with guards around him with guns. If you shoot him, you lose. Save game. New save game. Right? Old school, folks. Wolf says, I guess my retro game would be Spyro the Dragon on the PlayStation. Love it. I've never even heard of that. That is so cool, man. Yeah, Dave Joyce, man. How you doing today, my brother? I wanted to get some Recon in because... Why does it say there's people behind? Whoa. Stop zooming. Dude, look at the night vision. Night vision sucks. Okay. It's going to be one right. There he is. One shot, one kill, guys. And in multiplayer, that guy be dead. That guy be dead. Multiplayer. Now, once we engage, we have to engage, guys. And I think Papashvili is through here. Once we have to commit. We have to commit, guys. Because we got to go in there and take him out. I think that's the other entrance. So this is it, man. This is it, guys. Escape. Save game. New save game. Okay, that way. Guys, who didn't abuse a save game feature? Catherine, how you doing today? Helldiver suit for Josh, man. Dude, I don't know Helldiver suits. Bet it's a good one. I bet it's a goodie, folks. Okay. This is scary, guys. Because you're going to see guards and you're going to see Papashvili. And I don't know if they kill him. And I don't know why it's saying the mobs are over there. Oh, because... I'm telling you, this is it. This is it. I'm going in. We're gonna fail. Okay. How do you abort? No. I'll capture Papashvili is incomplete. Okay. Let's see if we got any guys close to the action. Because they didn't kill Papashvili, guys. They did not kill Papashvili. So, but, whoa. But we did not do so well either. What the hell is, what is the A team doing over here? It's like you don't even want to play the game, bro. Is Bravo, why is everyone on hold? Bravo team. Oh, Bravo's dead. They're all dead, sir. That was very Rambo of me, guys. If you guys don't know, Rambo. The sniper will have a pistol. Is he close by? Let's see. Map. Command map. He's way down there, bro. These guys don't even want to play, man. A. Go here, 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 and here. Oh, my God. These AIs, folks. I should see the 18 boogieing to my right. Where are they? There they are. They're coming at me, folks. Those are my boys. They are following the path I designated. So you can send them like on little missions and stuff. The thing is, they're pretty cheesy, man. I mean, ooh, we got to reload our sniper rifle, guys. Z. We're at 1 bullet. Okay, now, and we're also going to switch to the pistol. Here's the thing with the pistol. The ret closes a little faster. Everything still dies because it's pretty much one shot, one kill. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, doing good, Charlie. Do a little chess studying this afternoon. Dave Joyce, I watched a great video, man. I watched a great video about a grandmaster who talked about when he went from 1600 to 2200. Now, of course, like all freaking grandmasters, he did it when he was like 11. You know what I mean? But the story holds up, I think. We haven't cleared this. Maybe there was someone over here. I'm coming from a different angle right now, guys. The other door. The other door. So this... I gotta go. Z. It's gonna fail. It's gonna fail. Now we lose. Now we lose, and I don't have anyone close enough. They're pinned down. Tab. It hasn't failed yet, though. This rifleman's still up. Dude, the peeking in this game is great. The peeking in this game is great. Especially when you're prone. Secure the caves! Secure the caves! Escape, save game. Guys, we lost a couple guys, but I think we have enough. Save game, a new save game. We have enough guys. Now, check out how you capture Papashvili. You guys ready for this? First off, you got to be careful not to shoot him, because he'll die. Stand up. Stand up like a man, please. Don't lay down. You bump into him. Bam. You bump into him, guys. Now, wait. You bump into him. Come on, Papashvili. He should come. Why isn't he coming? He's walking backwards. He was just doing a moonwalk. These guys came... Oh, my God! No! We saved game. There were more guys out there. I thought we cleared the cave. Highly talented kids who play chess can gain points fast. The same thing happened to me when I was younger at a much lower level. You know what, Dave Joyce? 1,000% for me too. Even, like, I made my biggest jumps. I actually made some really big chess jumps Like in my 20s. I did. But 20s, it's not like being 11, but it's better than being 40. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, just getting to be like maybe, I bet, well, my first rating in my first tournament, I think was 1395 was my rating. And it never went down. It didn't jump way up. You know, I was about 1395 when I played USCF, my first few tournaments. Then I started slowly just going up because I was studying, right? But this guy tells exactly the biggest things that he changed. And he gave a couple games examples. Why the hell is it not? Capture Papashvili is still incomplete. So you know what? We've saved the game, but now we know where these bad guys are. I didn't expect them, dude. I thought those were our people, man. Now, okay, stand up. It's a little bit cheesy to try and get Papashvili out of here. No, you know what? We saved the game, guys. We saved the game. Let us, I don't need to save it here. I think I say abort. Yes. Now watch. We're going to load to where we capture Papashvili. And bang. Options, no. Cancel. Here. Mission. Load save game. Hey! Okay. This. We're going to try and load this one. The game still looks good considering it's 23 years old. It is an old game, man. It is an old game. Look at that, guys. We're loading the game. The game is glitching out because this game is so... It crashed. This game is so old, it hates Windows, folks. And Windows hates it. They have a hate relationship. That's retro. Guys, I almost played old school RuneScape today. I really did. Oh. So loud, guys. I turned it down. Okay. Let's go back to campaign. Retro Day. Resume campaign. Load saved game. And hopefully this is the one. Let's see. Let's see if it loves Windows this time, folks. Okay, this is it. Now. There's bad dudes. There's bad guys right around this corner, guys. There's bad guys. I'm going to lay down. The peek, when you're close to a corner and you peek, watch me peek. You uncover so much ground. Oh my God, I think they're right there. That's where they were a minute ago. Huh. Crawling. The peak, dude, in multiplayer, the laying down on the floor peak was the jam, bro. It was the jam. They were right here, guys. I walked out and they shot me. You shot me. I almost feel like I could shoot a grenade right at that wall. Where were they? Okay, they're not here now. They came from over here, and that's where they were when they killed me. Unless they're both crouched behind this rock. I need to take out these two fools, guys. If we take... Oh, my God. Where'd they go? Being crouched. Oh, see that we got red, guys. We got red. Dang it. Where's my team? Guys, okay, here's my trick. Well, they might be coming, guys. They might be coming. I'm scared. Boy, that freaking lantern scared the crap out of me. Next. How do I go to next? Tab. So we saved it. Okay. Abort. Yes. Then we're going to load save game. I got to bring up the other dudes, man. I got to bring up the other dudes. Here. Nope. Here. Nope. Escape. Here. Load save game. This one. Okay. Okay, we're in the room with Papashvili. We should be safe. Let me switch to this team. Stand them up. Stand up. You can't win these games laying on the ground like a bug. There's bad guys. And I think they spawned since we caught Papashvili. So we may see them. Where's the caves? Right here. They might be right here. Are they in the cave? They're not. I don't understand. You got to be careful not to freak out and shoot your own guy. There's my guy. Okay. So what happens? Do they just spawn out of nowhere? No, they're over here, guys. They're over here, and they're coming. They're coming. They're coming. They're coming to investigate, folks. We have to take these guys out. Look at that tree. It's in my way, bro. See the red? See the red? You say, like, don't look at your map. You might die. You know what? The chance you take looking at your map. Dude, the ret closes so slow, bro. Where was he? You're going to get killed, Joe. See? Okay. Abort. Yes. Who does this to finish the games, folks? The massive save game cheese. We're still not done either. But, wait. We go back. Load save game. Back into Papashvili. No delete save. Gonna make some breakfast. Nice, man. Get yourself some food, brother. Okay, we got to get back to these fools. We got to stand them up. We're gonna run. It's the dang rocks, guys. It's the dang rocks. Cave entrance is over here. Bad guy's probably over here. No red. Why? Why? What? Guys, they were just right here. No one else oh my God. I need cover. Get your butt over here. I can't see where those shots are coming from. Got one. Got them both. I think that was them. You guys are like, would you shoot? I'll tell you something about these games, guys. Yeah, people cheat. People cheat. First-person shooters, people cheat. Play a game 8 hours a day. What? See the ret, guys. There was... I think I got him. But I can't tell because of that freaking bush. Got him. Okay, now I think that's everybody. This is a really good time to save, and then I'm going to tell you about cheaters, folks. Okay, escape. Save game. New save game. Okay, now I think we're clear. Now we can go back to this fool inside. Our sniper's dead, guys. Okay, be careful not to shoot Papashvili. You bump into him, folks. You bump into him. Wait, first off, you got to stand up. I always crouch before I stand up. Stand up like a man. See how, okay, now he should follow me out. Watch him moonwalk backwards. Come on, Papashvili. You're my prisoner. And then what we do is we lead with the other two guys. And we keep Papashvili back at a safe spot. See what I'm saying, guys? We have no sniper. We have no sniper. Papashvili's coming. Papa. Is he out here with us? Where'd he go? I told... Papashvili's he's being a poop, guys. So people do cheat in first-person shooters 1,000%. 90% of the time, the people accusing of cheating, it's... Oh, he's hung up on the freaking... If he's hung up on that, guys... Oh, wait, maybe I can bring him over this way. There's no way! I can't blow this up, guys. This is not Elden Ring. Okay, let's see if we can crouch him to the floor. And then maybe we'll crawl over here and see if he'll follow us. Dude, look at this, man. He's hung up! I got robbed. I guess I could go to that last save, but we killed... I don't even care about Papashvili anymore. I'm almost... That is so not fair. I literally want to take him out. Because it's so rude. Okay, let me try bumping into him again. Oh, wait, no. We'll let one of the other guys bump into him again. Try and take him over, guys. He's trying to run to that spot where I was. We're going to run into the cave with this guy. And he's going to bump into Papashvili and try and take him over. Dude, this is the first mission of Ghost Recon, Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon 2021 game. Whoa. 2021 game of the year? Okay. I'm going to try and bump into him right here because I'm a new character. Bump. You can't. Ah! I pushed him. Are you going to hang up on something, Papashvili? Or can we roll? He's following me. Okay, good. I'm good. Come on, Papash. Come on, Papash. The Papashvili. Whoa. We're going out. This is all clear, guys. This is all clear. There's no mobs till... But we still have to get to the extraction zone and we have no sniper. That's bad. Okay, I'm going to run this guy out now because, you know. And this guy is going to grab Papashvili. This guy is going to do the Papashvili grabbing, guys. He's going to grab him, meaning he's going to take possession of him. He's not going to grab him like in a weird way, guys. Don't be weird, okay? Don't get that retro. I love to watch people play them, though. First-person shooters are not my specialty. So here's the thing about this game, okay? I played this game a lot. I had a lot of spare time on my hands, okay? So, and I'm not even going to say it was 8 to 12 hours a day. Some days it was. I couldn't get enough of it. Could not shut this game off, okay? But 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours a day, okay? For just, I don't know, 6 months or something is all. Do that. Then, when you just, I'm looking at these crappy graphics, and if there's one pixel out of place, I would just go bam and shoot it. I was not shooting things. I knew the map. I knew the map, guys. I knew the map. You learn the map, and you can just walk up here like this and go bam and shoot somebody. You'll see them. You can just, you learn how to see enemies, and you learn how to snap on them. And I'm telling you, man, you play a game like this that much, you like literally learn the pixels. I'm telling you the truth. It's just another level of gaming, man. It's another level of gaming. And a lot of people that run around and shoot things they don't understand that. You know what I mean? I could go up against a lot of players, guys, at the same freaking time, and just destroy them. So I think we're going to do that for Tactics Tuesday today. I'm going to tell everyone in chat what this guy told me in this chess video. And it's very simple. And, I think I'm going to have to start playing chess like this if I want my rating to go up. And it's so hard to do. There's nothing here, guys. And even if I had a sniper, I wouldn't be able to see anything. If you remember earlier in the game, now watch. Now I can say command. Wait, I can go to soldier. Marco, our single Charlie company, he has Papashvili. So I'm going to tell him to come over to where we are right now. Charlie, come to me. Be there in 2 clicks of us. Tail shake. Wait. Oh, well, I'm on Charlie. We got to get to A. Okay, A's going to move a little bit forward. But I'll tell you, man, the biggest thing he said about when his rating went from 1,600 like to 2,000 in a year, or I think maybe even it was even 2,200. There's nothing here, guys. What am I looking at? And I don't think there's anything over here either. Was just slowing down. He said, I mean, this is how dumb it was, what he said. He said, like, he got the right coach. There's a building here, but there's no mobs here. And he said, move every piece. You know, that's his way of saying develop. Move every piece before you move another piece. And so he would just constantly keep telling himself that. And not, I get caught up in minutia, man. I get caught up in things that are not a problem. Now, I keep saying there's no mobs here, there's no mobs there. This, I think, is the nest. That guy's dead because I shot him with the sniper earlier. There's going to be bad guys over here. We are keeping Papashvili way behind us, but and it's okay to leave him way back there because nothing spawns on you back there. Let's inspect the gate right here, guys. Oh, stand up. I always crouch. I'm used to toggle crouch in Call of Duty, right? See this guy? We shot him from up there. If you guys remember, we made a full circle. So I'm telling you, if I just stop thinking too hard about, yeah, but if I move this pawn, then it's gonna open his bishop, and it's like I'll move 3. He's like, just develop. Okay, this is bad because I have a feeling I'm using the terrain right now. See, there could be someone up there, but I'm trying to use the terrain to take me. Oh, we're gonna save too. Escape, save game, new save game. Even if there's one. I got one. That's bad. I got one. My boys, that guy right there is in serious danger right now because he's dumb. I see something there that's just light. You have to... God, get out of there! What's he doing? They should have like an option to say like, stay behind. See, that's my guy. And I'm like peeking around a corner. And he runs out in front of me. Now, these guards will kill Papashvili. I don't like this at all. If you saw how if you saw like, why aren't you shooting him? Why aren't you shooting him? Because your ret's really big and it closes. And when you're crouched, it closes faster. And when you just have to stop, you can shoot when the ret's open. Oh my God, I got no cover. That might be it for this area. Let's stand up. We haven't lost any men yet, and we killed a couple guys, and we want to get out of here, right? Lay down. No. Lay down. Lay down like a bug. Lay down like a bug. Hit tab. Go to my Charlie team. And you, Charlie, get your butt over here with Papashvili. And I'll put him even here in a safe spot. I'm gonna give him a little cover because I'm kind of freaked out right now. So the guy was just saying like the Grandmaster's moves. He said the higher rated player, the 2,000 rated player, he's not thinking as hard as a 1,600 player. Just develop, man. Just develop in Castle. I know to do that, but I still don't do it 100%. You know what I mean? That's why I was trying to do those games where I was like, even when I know there's a better move, I'm gonna develop in Castle. Oh wait, we're gonna save. Save game. New save game. So yeah, if you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. That's why we're talking about chess. Okay. This is the sniper nest we took out earlier. Charlie just got to their destination. That means Charlie is coming behind us. There are bad guys. We are heading to the... And these guys are hard to see too, man. We are heading to the extraction zone, which is in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, the insertion zone. That is also the extraction zone. And so we get this big, long region to cut across. And toward the middle and end of it, there's going to be bad guys. Back behind us, if you could see it, guys, over where I'm marking on the map now, that is Marcus Otero, and he has Papashvili as a prisoner, guys. I want them to come on up to us right here because maybe they'll come in here in the bushes. Oh, my God, no! No! Damn it. What happened? You guys didn't see a gun. Someone shot a gun, guys. Someone shot a freaking gun. Ooh, there's a little gully I can go to right here. Maybe safety for Papashvili. See what I'm saying? Yeah, this is good. Get over here, Papashvili. I don't know who shot at us, though. That's my team. I almost shot him. I think we need to keep Papashvili safe. We need to switch back to the other guys, and we got to move forward, guys. Escape. Save game. New save game. This is how you get things done. Dave Joyce says, I'm definitely guilty of that. If I'm playing a master or higher, I overthink everything. If my rating is higher than the master, the games I've lost on time playing like that. It's not like something I can switch off, though. Yeah, I hear you, man. But you know what? I know guys that are higher rated than me that play like that. They just move the pieces and they just stop overthinking, never do anything stupid. V said at work, but haven't been able to say hi. V, how are you? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good to see you. Good to see you. Okay, we are switching back now. Wait, Papashvili, get back in here, please. There you go. I can even lay him down, guys. Watch this. Lay down like a bug. You're a prisoner. You lay till I tell you to stop laying. Okay. Charlie is weapons free also, by the way. Because if someone comes at him, I want him to shoot them. Now we are going to go forward with the A team. We have to be very careful because someone shot, and I think they shot from over here. See. Where? There's more mobs that spawn. I don't know where they are. We're heading all the way south, guys. Is it south? We're heading this way, and we're gonna clear. We're gonna clear. And these guys are hard to see, man. They're hard to freaking see. Sometimes you could do like this. Sometimes the V. See, it's these damn bushes, man. Because if my pixels go through the bush and theirs do not, if their eyes can see me but I can't see them, that's bad. I don't think we passed any. I think they're all over here, guys. There's some like in the mid. Let's look where we are on the map. Press M for map is what we used to tell people in this game. One thing about the good Warzone players, man. Oh my God. They are constantly. Okay, I don't see anything here. It's there, though. So we're going to backtrack a little bit. They're constantly looking at their minimap, guys. So, like, when someone just pings on their minimap for a second, they see it. They live on their minimap. They just constantly look at the game, look at the minimap, look at the minimap. They'll be like, there's someone near you. They'll be like, how do you know? Because they look at their minimap, they don't see it. He's not, he was on the minimap. He's not on. Whoa. Did I see something? Yep, I did. I did. That's one right there, guys. Well, we stirred up the hornet's nest, folks. We stirred up the hornet's nest. We're going to cut this way. And, whoa, where'd I go? Yeah, we're taking this wall down now. Because we already checked from that direction. And I saw one. He was far away. Yeah, this is not a bad way to do it. This is not a bad way to do it. So, yeah, man. I mean, I used to constantly with my thumb. Oh my God. There's one. It says there's one over here. You know what? This red, it could be a mob up there that spawned, but they won't shoot down. Or there's someone right here, guys. There's someone right here. Crouch. There he is. Did I get a kill? I think I got the kill. I keep lowering down. I didn't see it pop, though. I didn't see it pop. That might have been them. Okay. We might have it, folks. Save game, new save game. That might be it. That might be it. There's no one red here. Okay. There are still enemies on the map. That is not an issue. We're going to run back this way. Now that we know that this is clear. This is where we win. We run in that area where we spawned, guys. When it said, it's quiet. Too quiet. That area. Okay, stand up so we can run a little faster. We're going to run back and get Charlie team and be sure they don't get Papashvili. Does not, guys, you got to take care of Papashvili, man. It's part of the game, guys. I'm afraid, because I heard that gun fire from over here somewhere, guys, and I have no idea where it came from. Earlier. I don't know where it came from. Can I go around here? Good. Okay. How did we walk past those guys? I don't know. You guys still over here? They should be over here laying on the ground like bugs, guys. Okay, now. I told them to lay down. You guys, do you not recall? Let us switch back to Charlie. And we are going to also put him just normal. And we are going to stand him up like a man. Stand up like a big man. Wait. It's not. I didn't go to him. Go to Charlie. Stand up like a big man. Now I'll go back to Bravo. No, I'll go back. Bravo's dead. They're all dead, sir. Then I'm going to tell Charlie on my command map to run here. And let's just have fun and say, two tails of a lamb shake. A lamb's tail. Two shakes of a lamb's tail. He's running with Papashvili. I'm trying to get their cover. I don't think... If Papashvili got shot right now, guys, I'd be so mad. I did not bump into Papashvili, did I? If so, he would be following me and not Charlie. Oh, my God. Charlie's gone. He ran where he was supposed to. I bumped into Papashvili. Come on, Papash. We got this clear, guys. Yeah, look at Charlie running, guys. He's way up there. He's way ahead of us. Guys, I think we might capture Papashvili. Now, we didn't what was that noise? We didn't probably get all objectives. Well, one bad thing, too, is he still with me? He is. We're bringing 3 of 6 soldiers home. That's pretty bad, guys. Anytime you lose one is freaking bad, right? It's only a video game, but still. We don't leave a man behind. This is where our insertion zone, guys, where we got inserted. Where we got deeply inserted. Return, capture Papashvili. We just captured Papashvili. That's the first campaign. Now, one thing that happens, 3 guys died. But everyone that comes home gets a talent point. It says neutralize tent camps. We did that with 1 grenade, guys. Secure the caves. Complete. Return to insertion zone. Did it. Capture Papashvili. Got him, guys. That's it, man. And that is what I wanted to do for freaking Retro Day, man. You're back. Sorry for the delay. Wolfo, no problem, man. No problem. I'm not playing this freaking game all day, man. It was fun. It was fun. We captured Papashvili. And now I'm going to get ready for my chess stream in a couple hours. I still got to eat and stuff. Hey, guys, if you like what you see, please throw me a follow, a sub on YouTube. It'd be great. A follow on Facebook. You know I love you. Follow on Twitch. Any of those, any shares. Hey, man. It all helps a lot, right, guys? So I would very much appreciate any of that. I'm going to quit. I will lose my progress. Yeah. Things that I'm not worried about. Capturing Papashvili and saving the game with 3 men dead. Every time you bring one of those guys home, they get a talent point, and you can put it into their like endurance, their stealth, their leadership skills, and you bring them back into the next mission. But those 3 guys that died, some of them might have had talent points already. They might have got built up. No, I started a new game. I started a new campaign. Yeah. So, guys, thank you. This is my retro, my celebration for Retro Day, guys. This is all I got. This is me. This is my retro. Ghost Recon. Well, let me share what I bought. But I couldn't stream it because I don't have a capture card. This one would have been really cool for today, guys. This would have been really cool for today. Failure. See you next Retro Day next year. This thing, dude. I got this thing. I saw it. I wanted it. I got it. Have not plugged it in yet. Looks like it's in perfect shape, man. It was used. It was used. But, yeah, man. And, guys, don't forget, tag a friend who you played Ghost Recon with. Or share this with them. Because that's... So many relationships were built off Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon. I would see it in the chat because I got like 625,000 views on Facebook on one of these playthroughs. And it was because people were like tagging their neighbor when they were kids. They used to play. Buck Wild says, can't wait for a chess stream. Buck Wild, welcome back, dude. Welcome back. Hey, Wade, how you doing, man? Leia, they're probably feeding me to people right now, and that's why all these new people are coming in. You played SOCOM Navy SEALs. Yeah, and that was a good one, man. It's like Ghost Recon. I remember that one. I didn't play it. We switched from this to Raven Shield. It was Rainbow Six 3, I believe. Raven Shield? Yeah, we played Raven Shield after this. After our clan leader got caught with wall hacks, and his name was on the Punk, what was it called? Punk Master? Punk Buster. Our clan leader's name was on the Punk Buster Master ban list. And it sucked too, because I know how good I was. And he was not as good as me. But when we were playing really competitive games against other teams, if he was using wall hacks and not getting the most kills, I would get the most kills. Or Smonan, who's a friend of mine on Facebook. Ripper do pretty good too. Then you got your Slobber Bones came in later, but he was freaking, I think he was walling too. These guys had freaking wall hack, man. But if you have a guy in your team that's cheating, and you don't know it, and you win the game because he might have a little bit of information, even if he doesn't tell me. What if he sees a flank that is open and he sees an enemy sneaking to it? Okay, so he just says, well, I'll take that route this time. I'll just go that way. And if he doesn't kill the enemy, what does he do? He dies. And we all know, oh man, Chip died. I see where he died. I'm going to go, I just said his name. And then you know what I'm saying? It's all information, man. It's all information. So you don't have to, if you're cheating, man, you don't have to cheat to get the most kills. You don't have to the whole time tell people with your walls where everybody is. You can just have that one little effect on the game, but it could be the game changer. You know what I'm saying? And once I found out that guy was cheating, man, everyone in the clan quit, man. Almost everybody did. They made their new clan. They made their new clan that a lot of people make. It's called Phoenix, because it rises from the ashes, right? Like, how many bands did, rose from the ashes, or companies rose from the ashes? Phoenix. It's a good story, right? Rise from the ashes. So they made their new clan called Phoenix, and I'm like, I didn't want to leave that clan, man. It's like I just assumed he would stop cheating. You know what I'm saying? I never could tell. You know what he probably did? He probably stuck him on to goof around like some people do, and then he got caught, and it's like, now you're a cheater. Yeah, cheating is lame, man. Cheating is lame because we had a pretty, in this game Ghost Recon, we had a pretty badass freaking team, man. I could go in any game with the best players and not get owned. I'd go up against, there was a great group called Porn was the name of this clan. And you don't know who of them were doing what. But I'd get, would have like respawns, like 5 respawns or something each, right? But it was a limited number of respawns. And I'd take a certain route because I'm trying to get behind the enemies and destroy them all. And who do I bump into coming from the other side of the map? Porn no dice. He kills me. It's really good. Did he have wall hacks? I'll never know. I'll tell you why he probably didn't. Because I went right back to where I expected him to be, and I killed him. And now I know he's spawning back there, so I'm moving forward. He's got his timing. I got my timing. We both know about where we're going to be. So a lot of times what you do is you change your timing up. Like, I don't move forward. I might run forward and turn around and hide at a building, and when he runs by, shoot him in the back. You know what I mean? That's cheesy, right? And so I go up against him and like, maybe he'd kill me like 3 to 5. 5 to 3, 4 to 3, 5 to 3. He ended up, I just always felt like he was this much better than me, but whether he was cheating or not, I don't know. I'm not saying he was. I don't think he was. But you got it, I could go in games with good players and not ever get dominated. You know what I'm saying? I could play in this game. It was a lot of freaking fun, man. Put a lot of time in this. Made friends to this day, man. Friends that went from here to Ravenshield to World of Warcraft, guys. I played in World of Warcraft with a bunch of these freaking guys from Ghost Recon. Like the friendships, man. The friendships went forever. Yeah, but it was a clan. The leader's, his name was Pre-Noob, and I think I have Pre-Noob's email address, right? And then Dark Angel, Porn Dark Angel made a mod for Ghost Recon that became like, it was niche, but many people played with the DA. It was Dark Angels 4.0, and then finally Dark Angels 4.7 was, I think, the mod we ended up on. Guns better, skins better, fun, everything was just better. It was way better, and it was a lot of fun. Yeah. So I'm gonna take off. Guys, happy Retro Day across all platforms. If you guys like what you see, throw me the like, throw me the follow, throw me the share, throw me all that sub, throw me all that good stuff, and I will catch you guys later. Love you guys. Thank you for all the support and everything else. I'm already out of the game, which is good. I don't have to window key before I can do anything. And I'll catch you guys, in about 2.5 hours. No, 3.5 hours. 3.5 hours on Facebook, Charlie Sardo Gaming, for the chess stream, where I'm going to tell you guys what the Grandmaster said. We say stuff like that all the time, but this is a good one, guys.